Welcome to your private retreat with over 9 acres of peace and privacy and a beautifully crafted home.
South American hardwood floors, solid wood doors, custom fireplaces, and smooth wall finishes throughout give this home a warm, high-end feel from the moment you step inside.
A massive pole barn, 36 by 48 with a loft, concrete floor, its own breaker panel, 14-foot doors for RV or boat access, plus a 20 by 47 covered extension in the back. This is your dream space for projects, storage, or running your business. This is the type of property you'll wait for, and it won't last long.
Call or message us today to schedule a private tour.